Hello kids, welcome to Bright Kids channel. Today we are going to learn about healthy and unhealthy food. Food is very important for us, but few food are good for our health and few are not. So it is important for us to know which food is good for us and which will make us healthy and which food will make us unhealthy. In the last, we will have a quiz to see how much did you learn. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.
So, what are the healthy foods? Healthy foods are foods which provide us nutrients, which is important for us to remain healthy. We get energy to become strong, so we can fight with the germs which make us ill. We remain active whole day when we eat healthy food. These foods bring growth of our body. We become tall and our brain also. Brain becomes sharp. So we can learn new things faster and we can also remember them for a long time. We will have a good memory. We don't feel irritated when we eat these kind of foods. So, which all foods are healthy foods? Number 1, fruits and vegetables. Number 2, grains and cereals. Different types of flours are in this category. And third is eggs, meat, fishes. All these foods have lot of nutrients and they provide us lot of energy also. Other foods are legumes. It includes various kinds of pulses, beans, dals, and nuts, cashew nuts, almonds, walnuts, and various milk products. Milk also is included in the category of healthy food only. Cheese and paneer, all are yogurt, all are healthy foods. We should eat these more and more. So, what are unhealthy food? Unhealthy foods are food which do not have important nutrients. They are very high in calories, sugar, and salt. When we eat them, we want to eat them more and more, and because of which we might become fat and also feel lazy most of the time. We feel sleepy, we do not want to work and just sleep in the bed all the time. It also makes us weak, because of which the bad germs might come and attack us and we might fall sick again and again. It also hampers the growth of brain. Our learning will become difficult. We might not be able to remember things. So it is suggested to avoid these foods as much as possible. So, what all foods come in the category of unhealthy foods? These are junk foods like French fries, burgers, pizza, chips, cold drinks, and donuts, cakes, lollipops, ice creams. All these foods are very high in calories. They might contain very high salt or sugar. So it is best to avoid them as much as possible and eat them only occasionally. I hope now you would have understood what are healthy foods and what are unhealthy foods. So I think it's time to check whether you have understood it or not. So let's have a quiz. It will be fun. So keep watching. Let's move to our first question.
So first question is, which one is the healthy food? Is it burger, milk or chocolate? Time up. Yes, it's milk. Very good if you guessed it right. So let's move on to next question. Which one is unhealthy food? Pizza, broccoli, egg? Time up. Yeah, pizza is unhealthy food. We should eat it lesser. Next, which one is healthy food? French fries, nuts and soda. Time up. Nuts are very healthy. They are dried fruits. They contain lot of nutrients. So we should make it a habit to eat few nuts or handful of nuts every day. Which one is unhealthy food? Donut, vegetable and fruits or banana? Time up. Yes, donut is unhealthy food. It contains lot of processed flour and sugar. So it is an unhealthy food. So let's move on to the next question. Which one is healthy food? Lollipop, cupcake or corn? Time up. Yeah, it's corn. You are right if you have guessed it, corn. So let's move on to next question. Which one is unhealthy food? Is it meat, ice cream or fish? Yes, it's ice cream. You have guessed it right because it contains lot of sugar. So we should only eat them occasionally. That too in summer season. If we'll eat them in winter, we'll catch cold.
I hope you liked the video and you would have understood healthy and unhealthy foods nicely, and you might have liked the quiz also. Many videos are about to come, so you can click on like, share or subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified for upcoming videos. Bye bye.